Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the logical functions. Let's get started. As you can see, there are two columns, number 1 and number 2. The numbers are like 30 and 75. If I want to compare these numbers using operators, I can do so. Let's see how. What I'll do is compare these two numbers to see if they are equal or not. How do I go about it? Any function or formula starts with the equal sign. I'll type here equal to. In this first cell, which is B6, equal to C6. I'm just comparing. Obviously, the numbers are not equal, so the answer I'll get is false when I press enter. Similarly, I can use many operators. If you look on the right-hand side, that was for equal to. Now I'll compare this whether these two numbers are not equal. So I'll just use the operator not equal to. The operator for not equal to is greater than and less than. When I press enter, I'll get the answer as true. It says both numbers are not equal. Similarly, I'll type the other functions for the logical test in this way. I'll say, is the first cell greater than the second cell? Is the first cell greater than or equal to the second cell? Is the first cell less than the second cell? And is the first cell less than or equal to the second cell? So you can see here, equal to the first cell, greater than the second cell, the answer I'll get is false. Again, I'll check equal to the first cell, greater than or equal to the second cell. Enter, it says false again. Equal to the first cell, less than the second cell. Enter, it says true. Similarly, equal to the first cell is less than or equal to the second cell. Press enter. So it says true. On the right-hand side, I've listed these logical formulas. Understanding this will be beneficial when using functions like if and others. These are the basic comparative operators. It's important to remember these operators as they are essential for understanding and working with data. I've also provided explanations for these operators on the right-hand side. Understanding these options will help you obtain answers in the form of true or false, which constitute a Boolean expression. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.